Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do kind of what I did 2 videos ago, like our first impressions, but that was all like Too Faced, Benefit, and I thought it's time to do an all drugstore one. So I bought all new products. I haven't tried it. It's actually still in the wrapping, and I know I kind of suck at naming prices. I have the receipt. Is that personal information? Probably. There's a hair in my bag, and it's black. It's not mine. Kind of dark brown, actually. Ew. I don't know what to do with it. I did not get primer. Okay. That's a way to start. What's in the bag, you're wondering? Well, let me fill you in. Alright, so we got, I've never tried this before. It is Flower Beauty. I have an eyebrow stain, an eyeliner, and a mascara. This is Drew Barrymore's makeup line, if you didn't know. From NYX, I picked up their Total Control Drop Foundation. I've never used a drop foundation. I'm thinking in my head, no, I haven't, I think. And this little Powder Puff Lippy in Best Buds. I've never used a Powder Puff lip either. Another brand I have never purchased anything from, and I don't even think heard of, is Makeup Revolution, and their stuff seemed really cool. So I got like a liquid highlighter, a baked highlighter, a baked blush, and their concealer had good reviews online, so high hopes for the concealer. So I picked this up because it had good reviews online. I scoured, I made sure I picked like what's new or like what's hot in the drugstore world. And this came up for a bronzing powder, and this, what the F face is, it says for darker skin. I really hope they make darker shades in this, because this doesn't seem like this should be the darker shade. Like, what is this, Benefit Hoola Bronzer? Let's start with brows. I'm going in with Flower Beauty's Tattoo Effect Brow Stain in Espresso, and soft brown on the inner, darker on the outer. And these are $9.99. Ooh, okay. Did not expect the tip to be like this. Interesting. I'm gonna start all over with the lighter guy, and then we'll bring in the darker color. I've never used a product quite like this. I'm just gonna flick up. Ooh, I like this. I'm a little scared that since this is a stain, if I mess up, I'm gonna like really mess up. Oh, no, you can just buff it away before it dries. Okay. Good to know. I'm really liking this for the portion where I'm just like missing brow hairs. They decide not to grow. It really filled them in, and it's not looking patchy. Oh my god, look at the difference. I haven't even cleaned up my brows. Why can't I be born with brows that like match and are full and are thick and are like rawr? So I'm going to clean them up with the Makeup Revolution in shade C5, and this was $7, but they were having buy 2, get 1 free. That is a huge doe foot applicator. Wow, okay. Let's get a little bit. Please be my shade. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is equivalent to Urban Decay Neutral Light. So this was $13.99, and I believe this is a new product. And it was buy 1, get 1 58% off, so it was $10.47. Yeah, wow, look at me math. And I am shade buff. I'm most excited that I get to do like the whole Instagram drop. You ready? It's on my bones! Hate the Instagram drop. All right, we're gonna try to do it again. Let's use the good old beauty blender to bounce this into the skin. I don't know if that was a lot of product or not. What? Okay, I guess it is covering. I should have done half my face so I could have seen. I mean, it is. It's just very thin. Okay. Maybe use layers of this? I can't tell what I think about it right now. Is it covering? It feels like nothing on my skin. I'm gonna do like just one more drop of this. Okay. I mean, it's actually a pretty foundation. It's just so weird to me. Maybe this is just how drop foundations are. I really love the finish it gave on my skin, but like areas where I have darkness, it didn't have enough coverage for that, but it feels like nothing on my skin, which is nice. Let's conceal with the concealer, the same one we used for the eyebrows, and really give my opinion on it. And blend, and blend, and blend. I do still have like a little bit of darkness, shadow right here. You know what? That might just be my age, but it's sitting really nicely underneath my eyes. It's not going into my lines. The texture looks really nice. It's playing really well with the foundation. Like, it's pretty. Guys, I'm not gonna pretend to you I forgot to buy powder somehow. So I'm just going to use my Makeup Forever HD setting powder underneath my eyes to be fully transparent with my translucent setting powder. But on the other hand, it's kind of nice because I can see what this looks like with my normal setting powder. Didn't think about the fact that I have a liquid highlight. That's okay. I do this all the time. The deets on the liquid highlighter is it is in the shade Gold, which I believe was the second lightest. It was $9, but somehow $6.03 because it was buy two, get one free. Ooh. Feels a little oily, which probably wouldn't have been an issue if I didn't put powder down first. But on camera, it is looking juicy. I don't even have to use my beauty blender to blend this out. It's blending really nicely with the finger. It's like, it feels kind of oily. It feels different than the, not the iconic, the Cover FX drops. Like, those feel like they dry really quickly, and they feel kind of, not chunky, but this is more like slimy, and that's more gritty. Ooh, too much on the nose. Okay, what if I do a second layer? Oh. Oh. We're blinding. Ooh, got makeup in a fresh tattoo. That can't be good. I got like all my tattoos touched up, like all the line work, and then I got like one new guy, and like I have a guy on my back, and I just got makeup in one. It's probably not good. So this bronzer from Essence, I didn't only just buy it because it was well reviewed, but it was really inexpensive. This huge guy, guess how much? It was like $4.99, and then it was on sale, so it was like $4.59. So like, okay, $5, but it's huge. Oh, I mean, it's really pretty, but my big issue with this is I believe I only saw 2 shades, and this was the darker one. All the lighter ones were like shattered, broken, so I went with this one just because I was like, it's a good price, I want to get it. But then I got it home, and I was like, wait, if I'm the darkest shade and I'm like NC25, what about everybody else? So that's really shitty. They should make way more color selections. This does not look like extremely dark on me or anything. I mean, I probably could have used the lighter one, but as the darkest shade, I'm feeling very natural, very like glowing from within, so I want to keep the eyes like super natural. So I'm gonna go in with Flower Beauty Glossy Gel Eyeliner Vinyl Eyes in Bronzed Out, and this was $8.99. I'm gonna throw this. Ooh, wow, okay. It's such like a light color. I wasn't expecting it to be so pigmented. Alright, going in with the waterline. And got a tight line. That's beautiful. It's like a natural little dirty blonde color. I really want to see what this looks like buffed out on the lid. I'm going to try to keep it natural. I don't want to get too smoky. Taking a big brush, kind of like if I was getting ready really quick in the morning, I'm just... Wow, that is blending out so nice. I feel like this whole video, I'm just like, wow, oh my god, everything's so nice. I swear, I was ready to rip a new product. Give her a little quick... Like, I don't even care. I got morning stuff to do. For the lashes, we have Flower Beauty Lash Warrior in shade Fiercest Black. And this was $9.99. It says explosive volume, extreme length, dramatic thickness, intense definition with a spiked warrior brush. Let's try it. Here we have the spiked warrior brush that they're talking about. Really cool. Do we see how it's curved? I've never seen, like, it's kind of like swivel curved. Let's give her a try. This wand is making it really easy to get in between my lashes. Like, they're not clumping up. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? What do we think? Very flirty lash. I like it. Really, really liking this mascara. All right, let's do blush. It is in shade Make Love Instead. I didn't name it. And it was $5. Let's just do like a 1, 2, 3, 4. I know nothing about this blush. I just thought it looked kind of like Luminoso, but everyone knows about Milani Luminoso, and this is technically cheaper, so I thought, why not give this guy a try? Okay, I'm building this up a lot. The color is really pretty, and it is buildable. I just wish I had thought this out more and didn't do such a dewy highlight with such a, like, dewy, wet looking blush, but that's okay. For $6, I got this Makeup Revolution Baked Highlighter in Peach Lights. I probably don't need another highlighter right now, but I bought it and I want to use it. It's actually really pretty on the skin. For lips, we got the NYX Powder Puff Lippy in Best Buds, and this was $8.49. But buy one, get one 50% off at $6.33. And here's the puff. Let's give it a squeeze. Ooh, satisfying. I mean, if this doesn't look good, that was super satisfying. All right, let's give it a go. Oh, I'm so glad this is matte. This is really pretty too. It does the thing I love that matte lipsticks do, where it like makes them look bigger. This color is really nice too. I see it giving me a little bit of like a line here, but because the color is so close to my lips, it's not that noticeable. It feels kind of velvety on the skin, actually. Oh, I forgot earrings today. Okay, guys, I am just so impressed with everything I used today. I'm trying to look around and see if something was like, meh. The highlight might be like a little bit greasy, but I feel like there's a time and a place for a greasy highlight. Other than that, just really impressed. I hope that you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. It's free, and YouTube might actually show you in my videos. I don't know. They don't really. YouTube's been kind of hiding all my content. Don't know why. It's fine. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you have any requests for future videos, leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you very soon. Bye!